silver sponsor, Instacar. Instacar is the first fully digitized vehicle as a service scale-up in Greece, founded in 2018, with the vision of becoming the ultimate mobility super app in Greece and Asia Europe. With Instacar, everyone can enjoy car leasing in the most flexible terms, without the restrictions of traditional leasing, while every procedure is conducted 100% online. From Instacar, we have Dimitris Stoias, Chief Technology Officer. Welcome.
Thank you. Hi, everyone. I'm Dimitris Stoias. I'm CTO in Instacar. And I would like to spend the next 5 or 10 minutes to tell you a little bit about what Instacar is doing as a company, and to tell you a little bit about our technology stack and the technologies that we use. So what is Instacar? Instacar is doing car leasing, but not in the traditional way, because traditional way of doing leasing is having a closed contract for 3 or 4 years, and with a specific car. With Instacar leasing is about freedom. Freedom to have a car for as long as you like. It can be 2 or 3 months, 6 months, or even a year. You have the freedom of canceling your subscription at any point. And what is really, really easy for us is that during your subscription, you can change the car according to your budget, meaning that you can get a more expensive car or a cheaper one. Our vision, although this is not about leasing, our vision is to go beyond leasing and to create a marketplace around services for vehicles. So for that, we plan on creating a super application that our customers, even the ones that they don't have a vehicle from us, will be able to use. And they can do a number of things like ordering tires, arranging an appointment for a service through the application. Instacar is a relatively young company. It was created in 2019, and we have managed over the last a little bit more than 3 years, to have a fleet of 1,800 cars, and to generate revenue of 12 million. And actually, at this point, we are around 60 people in the company. The company is based in Greece. And the plan is also not to stay here, but also expand to the Southeast Europe in the near future. Now, drilling down a little bit to the technology, at the moment, we are 12 people on the engineering team. And on the left, you can see the technology that we use. We use Vue.js on the front and a little bit of React. We use Go and Laravel for the back end. And we are, at the moment, transitioning to a Kubernetes cluster where we can host our staging environment and our production environments. The engineering team have what they are maintaining and expanding 3 types of applications. One is what we call client-facing, which is about the website and the mobile applications. The second one is about operational tools, which has to do with accounting or finance, the CRM and the KYC. And finally, it's the internal tools, which are like business intelligence tools, internal mobile applications like the car delivery application, and a text and image recognition system that we use initially internally, and then we plan on expanding it for our customers. Now, what is really challenging for us is that we are trying to bridge the physical world with a digital one, meaning that we have a lot of vehicles, we have mobile devices, we have serving points, insurances, roadside assistance. There are other entities outside of Instacar, and we are trying to combine them in a way to bring value to our customers. That alone is pretty challenging. Now, and to give you an example a little bit of what we are trying to do, here is like a typical flow of our users. You can see in the middle the stages that we have. I see there is some issue, but it's OK. And what I would like to point out with this is that technology is at the center of Instacar. And although we are a car leasing company, we also think of ourselves as a technology company. And here you can see a lot of the integrations and the tools that we have to do. For example, we are trying to integrate with e-wallets to have access to driver licenses, IDs, passports. We are building a digital document management system, which we hope it will support e-signatures and text and image recognition. We have a risk assessment system, which is used by our credit team to assess the potential customers and giving them a score. And with that score, we can actually go ahead giving approval to the users, or we can make recommendations to match their own financial status. And finally, which is equally important, and it's most of the time it's a little bit overlooked, is that we have to create a number of internal mobile applications, like the car delivery mobile application, which is used by our team when a new customer comes to pick up the car, to document all the issues and the flows of the car, so it's pretty transparent for the users. At the end of the day, what we are trying to build with all these tools, which is just a sample of those, is just build trust with our customers, which, as our philosophy says, they will be happy customers. I think that's it. This is just a glimpse of what we are doing at Instacar. If someone is interested to hear a little bit more, they can come by our booth. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Dimitri, and thanks a lot for Instacar for being a silver sponsor.